uh, debate which has been given by us, sir. Our topic is rent house is better than own house. According to me, rent house is better than own house because suppose when we build our own house, we have to pay a lot money to build our own house. But when we rent a house, we have to pay a little money for rent the house.
In our own house, we can live or stay freely.
But in the rent house, we have no any pressure, like we have to pay electric bill and many things. But in our own house, we have to careful. In our own house, we have to pay electric bills and we have many pressure. Like we have to decorate our room and we have to decorate our room and we have to bills like electric bills and many. But in the case of rent house, there are no any problems like this.
But if we think that we don't decorate our own room, so we don't decorate our room.
But this is don't like suppose your any family member or any relatives come your house. So he thought that this is not a decorated room. This is not like good.
In the case of rent house, we must have to pay money every month to our landlord. But in the case of our own house, after making the house, we don't need to pay any money.
No, we have to pay money like tax, pay bills. But in the case of rent house, we have to pay just money in the end of the starting of the month, and we have to don't pay any bills.
We have to pay the electric bills in the rent house.
But we have to pay the electric bills in the monthly bill. We have to pay that for the rent house. In the electric bills is there.
Stealing may be happened in the rent house.
Also, the stealing may be happened in the own house because a thief stole many things from a big house, not a small rent house.
But
But in our rent house, we have many important things. Suppose the important things has stolen, so we have nothing. We can't do anything. But in our rent house, we don't have many important things because this is our rent house.
Suppose a people leave their rent house for long day, and then the house owner call them and want to come back fast. Either came back fast.
Okay.
Either he said to leave their house and stay another. It is a problem of rent house.
Who are lived in own house, they always suffer from subscription and also local club member money for social reformation. So rent house is better than the own house.
Many people live in rent house in debt. They can't give the rent in proper time. So after a long time, they faced a huge level of debt rent, and they can't give that money in one time. So in that time they faced suicide
When we build our own house, we have to need more money for buy the ground to build our house. We have to build our house and decorate and many things, and we have to color our house. But in the rent house, we do not have to do anything. So we need a lot of money. But in the case of rent house, we don't have to do anything because the room from first the room is decorated and colored. Just we go to our rent house and see and like and live there.
But in the rent house we can't stay there permanently. But in our own house we can
Yes,
stay
we
there
can stay permanently, but we have to pay the money to the landlord.
But our own house we don't pay any money for leave.
Yes, we have to pay money for leave because we have to pay tax.
But the amount of the tax is lower than rent.
So when we build a house, we need more money. But in the case of rent house, we don't need more money.
But after making the house, we don't need to pay more money. But in the case of rent house, we must have to pay money every month.
But
Until
when we build a house, in that time, we have to pay a lot of money. So this is not easy for a poor man. But in the case of rent house, we don't have to pay money in that time. We have to pay by a month.
In the case of our own house, in the house we can make any loud sounds. But in the case of rent house, if we make many loud sounds, so the landlord come and shout on us.
But we pay the money to live in the rent house. So when we pay the money to the landlord, so the landlord don't shout because we pay the money
But
to live there.
if we make the loud sound, so the landlord shout.